Hello everybody, this is Nora, and on this video today we are going to continue with the swatches of the second group of the 3 Beauty Bigman plates that I decided to do, and these are going to be stamping plates number XL-17, XL-24, and XL-25. And these are three that I felt they're kind of, so the 17, it's got the it's more geometrical. The 24 has some geometrics and textures along with some flowers, and 25 is the one with the beautiful faces, lady faces, and some flowers as well. So I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so here are the swatches up close. Take a look. I did 6 for each plate. Here's the first one for number 17 with all the geometrics. Beautiful, beautiful pickup. And then the next one I did was number 24. I am looking forward to doing designs with this plate. It's the first one that I have of this kind with the, having a pattern as a backdrop and then foreground with a flower like that you can go with a different color. I think that's gorgeous. Such a beautiful design. Great ideas on that. And then the last one, number 25. Look at these ladies. Look at these beautiful ladies, these images. And these are so big. Yeah, I need to learn into getting to shrinking images so I love this one. See the fine lines? This one's it's created in very fine lines. They are very pretty. Look at this one. Yeah, it's so hard to pick. And so remember guys, so this one I will have another. I have the last 3 will be the Halloween set. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember that I will have links down in the description bar below to these 3 stamping plates along with my code NAQ57, which will save you a 10% discount. I hope you guys enjoyed my review. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.